This is for Parker, who is starting school and needs to know how to tie his tie. So this is really simple. It's a lovely little knot. I'm going to show you how to get the length right, how to get the knot right, and it takes just a couple of minutes. So here we go. This is for you, Parker. Now, I start with my collar up and the tie unfastened and loosely draped around the neck. Now, first thing, how to get the length right. You want the wide end to be about the same length. When you put your straight arm in front of you, you want the wide end to be about the same length as your fingertips. That's what I call fingertip length. I'll say wide end's fingertip length, that's what I mean. Now, quite simply, let me get closer. Quite simply, cross the wide end over the narrow. Then hold on to the knot. This is going to be the knot. Hold on to the knot like that. You're going to take the wide end and go around once and again twice. That's it. And then the wide end is now flopping down this side. Post it up the back, still holding on, post it up the back and let it flop down the front. Now, move that out of the way. That's the knot starting there. Get the front loop of your knot and post the wide end down the front. Then you're holding on to the tail, the small bit at the back, and the blade, just pull it through. We're not going to worry about dimpling just yet. This is your basic school tie. Get your knot, so pull, tug on the wide end until the knot forms like that. And obviously it's loose around the neck, so we need to tighten it up. Hold on to the tail at the back, hold on to the knot, and just slide it up. And fold the collar down. And that should be your knot. Now, in terms of the length, you want the point of the tie to be at about your belt buckle or the middle of your waistband of your trousers. Anywhere around there is absolutely fine. Too long and it looks silly, too short and it looks silly. Get it about there. If you find that your tie is too long or too short after you've done those steps, adjust it at the start. So make it, if you start off with it at your fingertip length and it's too long, obviously make it a little bit shorter, maybe the length of your thumb, or you can adjust it from there. But that should give you your perfect knot for starting school. I hope this helps, Parker. Have a great time at school and you'll be the smartest lad in the class. Take care, I'll see you very soon.